Pride.
Familia.
Community.
Esperanza.
Hope.
Comunidad.
Family.
We are Jefferson. From our studios in beautiful downtown Jefferson, please welcome your host, Christopher Shaw.
Hello, and welcome back to Jefferson Connected. Around the school, everyone is moving into high gear to get ready for the return of students. So in the next few episodes, I'm going to highlight the Herculean effort that is underway to get the school safe and ready for students to return to in-person learning. In fact, just last week, the state of Oregon opened up vaccines for COVID-19 Group 1B, which includes educators. While I weigh in on getting the shot, I was thinking a lot about how far vaccines have come and had a lot of questions about what exactly is an mRNA vaccine and how does it work. Since I know there are other people with the same questions, I thought I would share this short informative video from Johns Hopkins University.
mRNA vaccines have been in development for 20 years and are now approved to prevent COVID-19. Unlike some other types of vaccines, mRNA vaccines do not contain any pieces of the virus. Instead, the COVID-19 mRNA vaccine teaches our own cells to make the quote-unquote spike protein found on the surface of the coronavirus, triggering an immune response. In short, they help our bodies produce antibodies specific to the virus, along with T cells that also confer immunity. That sounds great, right? But I bet you're thinking, how exactly does this work? Well, it works by simply reproducing the same immune response that happens in a natural infection, but without actually infecting your body. Cool, right? Still, there are some common misconceptions about this vaccine. So let's break them down. Number 1, this type of vaccine is new, but it's not unknown. Research and development of these vaccines have gone on for decades before this pandemic. Number 2, these vaccines do not affect or interact with your DNA, and the mRNA never actually enters the nucleus of the cell. Number 3, while the vaccine does have some side effects like the potential for fever and soreness, they do not infect your body with the coronavirus. Side effects after vaccination are not uncommon. Number 4, yes, if you have recovered from COVID-19, you should still consider a vaccine. We still don't know how long immunity to the virus lasts. Number 5, vaccination along with face masks, social distancing, and hand washing is key to resume social gatherings and reopen the economy. Got more vaccine-related questions? Leave them in the comments.
As we return to in-person learning, athletics is starting to get ready for sports to return to Jefferson School District as well. Wanting to keep everyone safe and also allow friends and family to watch the Fighting Lions triumph has been a challenging dilemma for Dan Fritz, our athletics director, to solve. He has come up with a solution that will allow us to live stream our games. Dan, tell us about this program and how you got it implemented.
Great, thank you, Chris. Just really excited here at Jefferson. We've just joined the National Federation of High School Athletic Associations, the network, which is a nationwide group of all high schools, now offers live streaming through the internet. And what we're excited about here at Jefferson is we're setting up the installation both in our gym and at the stadium. So any event that takes place in our gym or out at the stadium will be available to subscribers to view those games, those events, possibly graduation. Any event that takes place in either of those venues will become available to all of our community. So we're excited to be able to offer the opportunity. And especially at this time where we're not sure this next few seasons whether we're going to allow fans because of the COVID situation, we'll be able to provide the opportunity to view our athletes via the internet through this new system. So we're really excited about what it can do. It also offers an opportunity for some fundraising down the road where we can actually sell advertising on the broadcasts, so local merchants and supporters of our athletic programs can contribute through this live stream operation to provide funding for our athletic programs. So we're excited about it. What's going to happen is once we get it up and live, we're anticipating that we will be able to start streaming come March 1st for our first season, which will be fall sports, and we'll be able to log on. You'll see the schedule, you'll do a search for Jefferson High School, and then the games that are being broadcast will be available, and those of you that are subscribing will be able to join a link and watch live sports here at Jefferson.
We look forward to seeing the Lions play live when athletics returns this spring. That is it for today's episode, but next week we will be catching up with Chris Sullivan, the elementary school principal, and find out what they are doing to get the school ready for kindergarten and first grades to return on February 8th. Until next week, stay connected, Jefferson.